We're opening up another EPL Hobby Box. This time it's a break for DannyBartard.com. So if you're interested in breaks, check out the website and see if you're interested in anything that's live. On top of that, this is a 6-spot break, so there's no stinker spots here. Again, this is an EPL box. It has 3 autos or relic cards per box and a minimum of at least 1 auto. It does come with a selection of packs, one being the Black Edge pack. That is where you can possibly get some juicers in, so we'll see what's there. Let's open this bad boy up and jump right into it. Here we go. First pack magic. Takes a little peek-see, a lot of base in this set. We're just gonna run right through the base. And then here we go. Chelsea. Oof. Isaac to 150, 53 out of 150. Beautiful start there for Newcastle. Plays for Liverpool now, but that is a Newcastle card. Bassey for Fulham. And we got a Leeds card right after that. Beautiful pro partnership. Another Newcastle retro threads. Wow. Beast mode. West Ham. And another Wolves. Ooh, rookie auto for Manchester United. 2 of 5. Bang! 2 of 5 rookie auto. Holy sh! Bang, bang, bang! First pack magic. We keep it moving. What's going on over there? Ooh. Nice little 52 of 75 for also Newcastle. Newcastle's cleaning up. A lot of cards for Newcastle so far. Let's put that down. Tottenham. Robbie Keane, retro threads. Doku for Man City. Sunderland, pro partnership. Martin Odegaard, headliners. Arsenal. Evan Nielsen. Oof, wait a minute. I think it's a sick card behind here. Hold on. For Bournemouth. And then look at this, bro. What? Heat Vision. Heat Vision. That's sick. On to pack number 3. First 2 packs have been kind of heat, to be honest with you. Is that a... Oh, that's a gold. I thought I hit something juicy. But that is... Looks like just one of those Chrome Kings. Or not Chrome Kings. The EPL Lions. Gold Lions. Oh, no. Oof, 99 out of 99, bookend for Wolves. Gomes. Then we have a pro partnership for Brentford. Sorry if I'm a little off-centered there, chat. We got a rookie card, Breakthrough Ballers for West Ham. And then we have a pro partnership for Chelsea. Carvalho and John Terry. Wisa on the beast mode. Eddie scored a massive goal versus Liverpool last weekend. And here is your for Brentford. Gold Lion. I always mess up his name, but he plays for Man U now. Brentford guard. Gold Lion, beautiful card there. Is that a patch? I think that's a base patch coming up. And it's backwards. That means, I believe it's numbered. So let's cross that bridge when we get there. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Big pull there. Brighton. What's going on here? We're all kind of stuck to each other. Okay, here we go. Kobe Manu for Manchester United. Everton. Lescott on the silver. Garnacho on the beast mode. Pro Precision, Anthony Gordon. Ooh, Chelsea, Chrome Kings, Didier Drogba. Okay, we got Techers, Malin, Aston Villa. Ole for Forest. We have a Liverpool Pro partnership. It's not numbered right now. Nicholas Jackson. Let's see here. Oh, no, it's not a Man U player. This was the Man U card that we thought it was. It could be anybody. It could be anybody. We're foreheading it. I think we know who that is, chat. Do we know? I think we know who that is, chat. Come on, we know who that is? We know whose forehead that is, chat? Mo Salah patch, numbered to 199. Bang! Ooh. 199 numbered patch, Mo Salah, dude. All right. For Manchester United, Ugarte. Brentford, Carvalho. Techers for Everton. Phil Foden. Beast mode, Beto. Autograph for Newcastle. Another Newcastle for Bruno. Bang. Base auto. Not numbered. Saka. All right, for the Wolves. Gomes for the Wolves. Cucurella for Chelsea. Retro Threads for Bournemouth. Konate for Liverpool, beast mode. And then you have a Watkins and a Gareth Bale, Chrome Kings for Tottenham. Very nice pull there, dude. Last pack magic. And then we got the black border pack. Ooh, numbered beast mode for Tottenham. 17 of 25 for Solanke, dude. For Solanke. Tottenham hitting heavy right there, dude. Nice card there. 17 of 25. Crystal Palace. Ooh, nice little breakthrough ballers. Lewis Skelly for Arsenal. Sorry if I was a little off-center there, chat. Burnley. Pro partnership. For Liverpool, Robbie Fowler. Pro precision. Headliners, Pedro Neto. Black border pack. Juice box so far. Hopefully that continues. I do see a Wolves card in the back end for Cunha. We have an Erling Haaland for Man City on the black border. Again, a beautiful Cunha, now playing for Manchester United, but this is a Wolves card. And let's see if we pull anything off with the middle card here. Doesn't seem like it. I haven't pulled a number card out of here just yet, but maybe eventually.